What is still keeping this girl? Eh? That lousy girl. I know it will take her ages before she brings that thing to me. Mafia. What is wrong with her?
Ma, sorry for the delay.
Wait. What has been keeping you? Eh? Why are you this clumsy? Why are you lazy? Eh? I thought they said you are the best in this house.
Mama, I've served you what you asked for. If you need my service, call me.
Come. So, that sorry, keep it for yourself. Eh? How much does my daughter and her husband pay you for your services in this house?
Mama, with due respect, I can't tell you that. It's confidential.
Bia. Hey! My instinct does not lie to me. I know it. I know you don't have respect. But for your information, I will make sure you lose your job in this house before I go. Mark it.
Mama, like I said, when you need me, you call me.
Bia. Do I look like your mate? Do you have a mother? Anyway, me looking at you, you don't have one. You look like those girls raised up in the street. They don't have manners, respect, and all the rest of them. But that is not my business, whether you have a mother or not, or they raised you or the motherless babies or not. Look, if you don't have respect, I assure you I must teach you how to have respect before you go. And I will make sure that my daughter will sack you before I leave this house. Oh yeah, get on your knees. Down on your knees. Do before I move fire.
Mama, I won't do it. Mama Mia, I will not do it. And let me tell you. And please, with due respect, I beg you with whatever you worship, do not involve my mother in this again. No, don't even try it. Like I said, call me whenever you need my phone.
I think that. Look at the manual. Hey! So this girl has the guts, the impetus to walk out on me. Hey! This local champion, local tout from a dungeon. You walked out on Cordelia. So I must make sure that my daughter sacks you. Apanola, Iman Noya.
Bam. Vicky.
Why is your face like that?
Mama, what are you doing here?
Oh. Okay, it's like you're still angry over what happened the last time.
Please, I'm not in the mood to talk to you. If you don't have anything reasonable to say, you can go.
Okay, no problem. I'll be on my way. I actually came to tell you who I saw your husband with yesterday. But since you don't want me to tell you, let me go.
Mama, Mama, me no Kira. I was just joking with you. What play can you play? Mama,
let me forgive you because you always come to counsel me on how to live in my house.
Are you not my mother again?
Hey, you're my mother. We are family.
Mama.
No problem. Because of your late mother. I saw your husband yesterday with one chicken girl like that. Small girl. I didn't see one man, I didn't see no. Your husband even saw me.
He saw you?
We saw ourselves eyeball to eyeball.
You mean Alika saw you?
He saw me.
Hey! I said it. I said it, Mama. Alika has been cheating on me. He has been behaving Imagun. I know. Hi. Mama, the girl in question, do you know her? And where does she stay?
I know the girl. Her name is Chisom. She and her mother live behind my street. Her mother is a civil servant, so you need to be careful. Their street is Chief number 12 Chief AGK Street. That's behind my street. If you come to my house, that street behind, that is the girl's house.
No problem.
I'll be on my way.
Mama, thank you so much for this information. You know, we are family now.
I know.
We have each other's back. Thank you so much.
Nana, be careful with your husband, though. Don't beat him too hard.
No problem. Trust me. Ogano, he will hear.
Let me be on my way.
Okay, Mama, you don't want anything?
No, I don't want anything. I just came to give you the information because
thank you so much.
Family.
Thank you. Alika. Alika Chisom. Okay.
Show me your mind, not your back. I call you my friend, Unagin Erika. Show me your mind, Yosimo Bigi. Oh, my friend, not your back.
Ray.
Oh.
Ray. Ray, what's going on? I mean, I've been here for some time now and you're not talking to me. Is anything the matter?
How about if I ask the same question? You've been here for a while and you're not saying anything. Do you have something to tell me?
Ray, I'm in your office and Kotze demands you talk to me. I mean, you've been mute. Is anything the matter?
Duke, you see, I don't play with my money. I don't play with my money. Do you know why? Because I'm a tiger with a pretty face. So stop playing pranks. Do you have something to tell me, Duke? Are you keeping something away from me?
I'm not keeping anything from you. Why are you talking like this? Is anything the matter? Ray, you're speaking in parables. Can you bring me up to speed, please?
So my client, Duke, my client texted me and said he's paid the money into your account. Why haven't you told me?
I am not in a state of no. I don't even have my phone here to check. I'm not aware of what you're talking about.
Oh.
First, if I do, I would inform you.
Oh, great, I see now. Like I said, I don't play with my money. There you go. That's proof of payment.
My, oh my, we are millionaires.
I am a billionaire.
I'm a billionaire too. We are billionaires.
Alright, so go get your phone. I'm sure you see the money.
Your life is in danger. Be careful. This is not your friend. All it does is pretend. Your life is in danger. Your life is in danger.
Billionaires
Be
indeed.
careful. This is not your friend. All it does is pretend. For wash. In the night, Apollo sweet in the morning, Apollo cataract. Now which kind wall be this year? Okay, you never know, profile. Upon your cousin, I can't want to say. And the loony fame, Banuma. Oganafia, we have married. Oganafia, I have no.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Please, I'm here to see Chisom.
Who are you? And why are you looking for my daughter this early morning?
Oh, your daughter. I see. Okay. Your daughter Chisom is having an affair with my husband.
I beg your pardon. My daughter cannot do that.
Oh, you don't believe me? Okay. Just go inside and call her. Let her come and say to my face that she has not been having an affair with my husband.
Chisomu! Chisomu! What is it? Do you know any Aleka?
No, I've not heard that name before.
Liar! You don't know. You have been having an affair with my husband. Right?
Madam, don't accuse me of what I didn't do. Mama, tell her not to insult me. Why would I be having an affair with a married man? I don't even have a boyfriend. Please
Oh, how would you have a boyfriend when you've been fornicating with my husband? Yes, you've been having an affair with my husband. Anyway, I am not here to banter words with you, church rats.
Hey, madam. My daughter is not a church rat.
Madam, I am here to beg you to warn your daughter. Put her in order. Caution her as the mother you are. Let her stay away from my husband. If not, the next time you see me, you might be getting her skeleton.
Get out of here. Out of my house, mad woman.
Okay.
Get out.
I will show you how mad women behave the next time you see me. Do not say I, Victoria, did not warn you. Okay.
Driving west with your husband.
Don't go and put your daughter in order. Be a mother. This is what you should do.
Come and tell me I don't have a husband. It's not your fault. Kata. And madam, oh yeah, come this way. Here, come and stand here. Oh yeah, who is Aleka?
Mama, I don't even know who her husband is. I don't know what she's talking about.
It's better you don't know. I'm going out. On my way coming back, I will go and get your test results. Just take care of the house. Remember to wash those my dirty clothes. You better don't know.
One day, okay, setikwa, itukwa njikere, makoga boso kwa, arika, onyalo, arika, brainwasher, arika, onyalo, arika, brainwasher. One day, onyalo, it go happen.
That reminds me, Duke hasn't called me yet. What's going on? Hello? 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 Hey Duke, what's up? Can you hear me? I've been expecting your call. Hello Duke, I said I have been expecting your call. What's going on? Yes, I haven't heard from you. What? Duke, you're saying you haven't gotten an alert. What do you mean? That's impossible. Duke, listen to me. My client told me he paid the money into your account. I showed you proof of... Listen, just figure this out, okay? Listen, just figure this out. I don't want to call you again.
Sir, hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well. Can I do something for you?
No, I came to find out if you want anything.
Just get me a glass of juice. Thank you. Can you imagine? This guy is up to something.
My son, I can see you are very busy.
Oh yes, Mama, I am actually. I'm doing something online. Can I help you with anything?
No, not at all. I came to ask if you care for a glass of juice.
Oh, Mama, thanks, but I sent for one already. The house help is getting one for me. She's almost here.
That clumsy girl. Will she bring it today? Don't worry. Let me get it myself.
Don't bother yourself. She's almost here.
Let me get it. What is wrong with you? Huh? Must you be careless with everything?
Mama?
Mama? Stupid. Mama, no! Mama, what is wrong with you?
Mama, you didn't have to slap her. It was an accident. You didn't have to slap her, Mama.
Just look at this stupid girl. Where did you get her from? Eh? She intentionally poured the drink on me.
Mama,
what is your problem?
Mama, it was an accident. She didn't do it intentionally.
Why is it that you always support her? Can you be your problem? I can see that she has given you something to eat. Don't worry. Mama, but there is no problem.
Mama, don't say that now.
You will see what I'll do to you in this house. You.
Come. I'm so sorry. Give me that. I know you didn't do it intentionally. It was an accident. That's my mother-in-law. She's very difficult sometimes. But I apologize on her behalf, okay? I'm sorry. Sorry. So give me that. I'm sorry. Okay?
It's okay.
Sorry. Sorry about that. Yeah? Okay? Thank you.
One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't matter how long, how smart you are. One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't
I'm
matter
coming.
how long, how smart you catch up with you. One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't matter how long, how smart
Work was not fine. Oh yeah, take. Go through it.
Mama, who owns this?
My late mother owns it. That is the result of the pregnancy test you did on Saturday. According to that result, you are 2 months pregnant.
God forbid. Mama, it is not true. This is not for me. No, I'm pregnant.
It's not God forbid. So the result is lying. Eh? Who owns the baby?
I'm pregnant. I am not pregnant.
You cannot be pregnant. You are not pregnant.
I am not.
Okay. Start talking, madam. Who owns the baby inside your womb? You are pregnant.
Mama, can you stop this? I am not pregnant.
Don't let me bounce on you. Start talking. You want to disgrace me in this town? You want to come and disgrace me in this town, Abby?
Lower your voice. I am not pregnant.
Start talking.
Pregnant.
Who?
Mama,
You cannot disgrace me. Oh yeah? I want to hear who is responsible. I am not. I am not pregnant. Don't say you are pregnant. Say you are not.
I am not pregnant. Please.
Hey!
Hey, Joshua, I tell you, say that woman na bad market.
What's happened?
And they carry the poison, they go give Oga. This woman just come from nowhere, bam! Hits me, the thing pour for ground. I tell you before, I come meet you the other day, I tell you, say, this woman go spoil market for us. You say it go easy. Now, see how easy the thing don't go now. See how easy the thing don't go.
Chabak, what you talk?
You hear me?
Chabak, you don't fuck up. Chabak, you don't lose guard.
Lose guard how? You know the year waiting at the talk. I say I don't do the business already. I carry the drink, they go give Oga. This woman just monitoring me. She just come here as monitoring spirit. Jam me, the thing throw away. You say I don't lose guard. I take lose guard. Na me jam myself.
Wait, I dey even dey talk, your mouth see the sharp.
Uh-huh.
I dey talk, self, you see the sharp
No,
your
let me
mouth.
cut am now.
Chabaka, listen to me. You need to do that work. Oh. You need to do your job. Oh. I mean, they don't pay you up for them. The day we receive a lot, you not happy. I come here, they tell me nonsense.
So what if I say I no go do this job again?
You say?
You hear me? I said I'm not going to do a job again. Wait, I be adult. I get right to say yes or no. And right now, I know. I don't want to do it.
Wait, Jamaka, you say you don't want to do again?
You hear me? I'm not going to do it.
Well, listen to me. Make I tell you something where you don't even know, sir. You see this matter? You don't enter, we say you don't enter. You no feel go back again. You don't hear me? Make I even tell you, sir. This one way they talk say you get right to do what you want and get right to do what you don't want to do.
Yes. I be adult.
As it is now, you don't get right for anything again. Even your conscience self, you don't sell and give devil. Listen to me, listen to me, make I tell you finish. Only 2 days. 2 days. Now I give you, may you bring that man down. If you no walk, if you no do, if you no run now, Chamaka go first get you down. Hey. Believe me. Listen, you'll never talk finish. She be still like your sister and her husband. If you no do them, I go dash them granite. She know, you know what I mean. She know what I mean.
I think enter this kind of problem.
You
be wicked so.
God punish
Judge, you be wicked so that God go judge you. Even now, you be murderer. Ooh, murderer. God go judge you. You see you. That's why you take carry me couple for this thing. God they go judge you. Your family, everybody like they go kill you. Like witch, wicked so, murderer. Murderer. I not do again.
So wait.
Murderer.
So you want die, Abi? Okay. So you won't die, Abi? Hey, this girl don't kill me. What thing I could do now? What thing I could do? How I want to do this matter? This girl must finish this job. It must finish. If you don't finish, I will give me that money back. Hey, don't worry. I know what I will do.
Sarah, my daughter. This is not the way I brought you up. The Bible says, train a child the way he will go, and when he grows up, he will not deviate from it. You have deviated from the way I brought you up. I wonder if this is actually you.
Mama, but I've not deviated. I'm still the child you raised in the fear of God.
Will you shut up? Who is talking about the fear of God here? How could you? How could you employ a competitor as a housemaid? Eh?
Mama, I don't understand what you're saying. Nobody's competing with me and there's no competition in this house.
My daughter, open your eyes and shine your eyes. This is modern world. Eh? I have used the eyes an elder uses to see what is tied in a bag, to know that you are in competition with that girl you call your housemate. Eh? And how could you employ a girl with such magnitude of hip? Do you want her to snatch your husband from you?
Mama. Eh? Mama. Eh? See, the doctor advised you should take your rest. Remember your medication. Can we just go in and sleep, please?
Sarah. Sarah Nwam.
Ma.
What an elder sees while sitting down, a child cannot see it, even if he climbs to the tallest iroko tree. It's better for you to make hay while the sun shines.
Mama, I trust my husband. Ray is not that kind of man, and he cannot do what you're anticipating. Mama, I had a very hectic day. Can I go and sleep? Please, let's go in. Mama, please. Mama, let's go and sleep. Please, come now.
Oh, go, I'm coming.
Good night, Mama.
Hey! What has this girl given to my daughter? That girl is a witch.
Hey! I will kill you this morning if you did not tell me who got you pregnant. You want to come and have a bastard in my house? So after telling you my story, you still want to make the same mistake that I made? I'm sorry. How can you be telling me you are sorry? Yeah? When you are busy spreading your legs, you want to say a bit too high ever. Were you sorry? Oh, yeah, tell me who got you pregnant?
Mama, nobody got me pregnant.
Nobody. Nobody. Has it become virgin men that got pregnant? So what do you mean by nobody got you pregnant?
I will talk.
Oh, yeah, talk, I'm listening. Oh, yeah. Stop, someone and stop!
It's Anika!
Oh, it doesn't matter how long
Anika. Is it not the same man whose wife came here to warn you, or is that another Anika? The same man? Denied knowing anything about him. So why did you deny it? You even lied to your mother. You must take me to that man's house today.
They always come here to see me.
Hey! Chisom! So you've been playing home match in my own house? Under my roof? Hey! Oh, can't see you know. Hey! Chisom! See the side that I've been training. Oh, if I can't do it. Chisom! Oh, if I can't do it. Hey!
One day your sins must catch up with you.
Chamaka.
It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are. One day your sins.
Why you shut my name? What's not boom?
Calm down now. Your blood today.
I better go back to your post.
Go back to you something today. Talk about.
Okay, talk. Oh, yeah, talk.
One inspector of police from headquarters just enter this compound now. Which one be your home?
Let me
you never reach.
I beg you, I don't. Oh yeah, go.
See, wait. I won't tell you. May you not your waka dey be for this compound. You didn't. That oh, but wetin can make I tell you now? You never reach. Oh yeah, go. Be very careful.
I don't go now.
What do you stand to gain?
I don't tell you.
Why do you choose this wicked way?
Gentlemen, according to the autopsy conducted on your late gate man, he was strangled to death.
He was strangled to death?
Yes.
Huh? But Gaius was a very peaceful boy. He wasn't violent at all.
The person that killed him was not coming for him, but for you.
For me?
Yes.
But I don't have any...
Do you have any problem with anybody?
I don't have any... I was going to say that. I don't have any problem with anyone.
What of your working place?
My workplace? I'm at peace with my workers. In the office, I don't have any problem whatsoever. Wait, Inspector. I'm suspecting an uncle of mine. Yes, he threatened to kill me over a piece of land. I think we need to get him arrested and get him investigated.
Where does he stay?
He stays in the village. This man threatened to kill me over a piece of land. He said he was going to deal with me. So, Inspector, I'm suggesting we go right now and get him arrested. He needs to be investigated as soon as possible.
Anyway, I don't think he has a hand on it.
So who does?
Whoever that killed him is around you.
Around me?
Yes. I'm just speaking from a professional angle.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. If open on your material, nature, imetamanua, on nature, imetanjanua, on nature, sigike. One day, your sense must catch up. It doesn't matter how long or how smart you are. One day, your sense must catch up.
You see that, Aleka?
My love.
How are you doing?
Good.
Are you okay?
Here comes the pedophile. Jesus.
Ure,
Chibuzo.
where have you been?
Chibuzo. Hey. So it is you. Chibuzo. Hi, Jesus Christ.
What is going on here? Do you know each other?
Hey, Mama. What did you just say? You saw my husband entering that little brass house. Hey, wait. Mama, are you sure? Okay, where are you? Just wait for me there. I'm coming. So that you will escort me to that place and be my witness. Eh? Okay, no problem. I will go there by myself. Yes, after all, it's my cross. I will carry it. No problem, Mama. Thank you. Hey! So, this little brat did not listen to my warnings, right? Okay, today I will show you why they call me Victoria.
So Alika is my father.
Yes, he is your father.
And I'm pregnant for my own father.
What?
She is your biological daughter. She's pregnant for you. Your daughter is pregnant for you. Oh.
Bravo, madam. So finally, I have proven you wrong. It is true, right? You little brat. I thought you said you don't have anything to do with my husband. That you've not been fornicating with my husband. You're shedding tears. And you, Alika. Oh my goodness, Father. I'm just ashamed of you. You should be ashamed. Don't even say it. Don't even say it. Pim! If you try it, I will give you 30 slaps.
Don't say Pimo.
Alika, what have I done to you? Where have I wronged you, Alika? Where? Tell me. So this is the reason you've been maltreating me. I'm messing up with my brain. Where on earth have I offended you? Alika, don't involve yourself in this.
Calm down. I hear the latest news. Calm down. Eh? My daughter Chisom here is pregnant for your husband.
What? What did you say? Alika, what did she just say? Alika! What did she just say? What did she just say? Alika! Alika! What did she just say? Alika! You did that to me! Oh my God!
Madam, calm down.
Oh my God! So this is what you've been looking for? This is the reason you've been maltreating me!
It's not what you think.
Oh my God! Where have I gone wrong? Oh! Alika, why? Why me? Why? All the love, everything, I've showered, everything. I was humble, I was begging you, and Alika, you did this to me! You did this to me! Okay, fine. You've gotten what you wanted, right?
It's not what I wanted.
You're happy, right?
I am not happy. I am not. Can't you see I'm crying? I'm not happy. Forgive me.
You got it right?
It's not what you're thinking. Huh?
Madam, calm down. Just calm down. The latest news here is that Chisom here, he is the biological father of Chisom.
She's the daughter. Madam, you're insane. I will beat you now. You're mad.
Woman.
Are you insane? You want to mess with my brain? What are you saying? What did she say? 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 What did she say?
Let me explain to you. That's not what you're thinking now. Let me explain to you. Calm down now.
She can't do.
Just let me explain to you.
I wish I know what I will do.
Baby Angel, she's the lady I told you that got pregnant for me while I was in secondary school. Please forgive me. Before I became this Aleka I'm too much. Please, forgive me now. In the past,
So where have you been? Where have you been?
One day, your sins must catch up. It doesn't matter how long.
So when I found out I was pregnant for him, I moved to the city in search of him. On my arrival at the park, I called his line. It was switched off. I called and called and called. Throughout the week, I couldn't reach him. And I couldn't go back to my parents. I became stranded. Because I don't want them to know that I'm pregnant. I started catering for myself and my unborn child. It wasn't easy for me. Ever since then, I haven't set my eyes on him. And he didn't bother looking for me and my child.
Ure, please, find it in your heart to forgive me. If there is nothing like sin, there won't be anything like forgiveness. Please, I am sorry. Please.
Alika. Have you seen where infidelity has landed you to?
Yes, on the floor.
Alika, what have I done to you? What did I do to deserve all this? Is it love that I did not show you? Is it respect? You jump from one bed to another, from one pants to another, from one skirt to another. Why? What are you looking for?
Please.
What?
Please.
Alika, today, I, Victoria, I cease to be your wife.
Baby, Mbam, Biko, please, find it in your heart to forgive me. Even before you dishusband me, I've started seeing you as a widow already. Please, forgive me. I know I've been a very bad husband to you, but please find it in your heart to forgive me, even if you don't want to accept me back. But please, forgive me. Please, Chisom.
Don't you ever call my name. I hate you with passion. I feel like strangling you. And I will not regret doing it.
My daughter, my ex-girlfriend. I can't even imagine sleeping with my daughter. Talk more of getting her pregnant. Please, find it in your heart to forgive me. I am deeply sorry. Please, Ure, Bikono.
Alika.
Baby.
You heard me, right?
I heard you.
You heard when I said, I'm done with this marriage. I'm done being your wife. Please. I don't ever want to see you anywhere close to me. I don't ever want to even look at you again. I hate you. You disgust me.
I hate you.
And if I ever see you, I will do something the both of us will regret.
Please, will not regret it.
And you, madam, for your interest, I will advise you to take your daughter to the hospital and get rid of that.
My people, please. I am kneeling down. Chisom, Uri, please. You people are all I have now, please. From that, I'm lying down. Please, forgive me. You can't leave me like this with the nemesis. I know that nemesis have caught up with me, but you can't leave me like this now. I am begging you, please. Biko.
What are we going to do with the pregnancy? Oh, yeah, forgive me.
The pregnancy. The pregnancy, oh, the pregnancy.
Please, sir. With all due respect, I am sick and tired of this job. Please, can you kindly send me your account details? Let me refund you because I can't kill him. Come to think of it, why do you want to kill him? Why? Mr. Ray is a very nice man. Send me your account details, let me refund you. I have backed out and that's fine now.
Show me your mind.
So this girl is an assassin. So this house help is an assassin.
Hi. I knew it. I know that this girl is up to something in this house. My instincts never fails me.
And someone sent her. Who could that be?
I don't know. That is what we need to find out from her.
What I go betray her. She will never enter bottle. No, say. What I go betray her.
Chiamaka, I'm going to ask you for the last time. Who sent you?
Okay, I don't know what...
Should I call the police?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't work for anybody. I do not work for anybody.
Will you shut up? Shut up!
It's better for you to confess now. Else, you will rot in jail. I'm off here.
Listen, I heard your conversation over the phone. Who was that?
No,
who do you work for?
But no, I wasn't talking to anybody. I wasn't talking to anybody.
We overheard you.
Me?
Yes.
Mama, now. Mama, why are you saying this now? Mama, why are you lying on me, on my head now? I wasn't talking to anybody. Baby, please, just look at her. She's not an assassin.
I cannot kill her.
She was one, she would have killed us long ago. Hey. Baby, if you're not comfortable working with her, let's fire her. It's fine.
Really? You have no idea who this person is. She has a mission in this house. And if you don't start talking, I'm going to call the police.
What was more?
Okay. Sorry, sir. This woman wants to see Chiamaka.
Yes. Sister, what are you doing here?
Blessing.
Cornelia.
Am I dreaming? No, you're not dreaming, it's me. What did you come to do here?
Mommy, do you know each other? Who is she?
Blessing is your aunt.
Yes. I am. I didn't know I have an aunt. Please explain to me, Mom. What's going on?
I'm your aunt.
Chiamaka here is one of your triplet sisters.
What?
Yes. I don't understand what is going on. Mama, please, can you explain to me what she's talking about? Do I have sisters aside Pinkuli and Juliet?
Yes.
Yes. You do.
Wait. What is happening here? What are you saying, sister? You mean Madam Sarah here is my blood sister? Is that what you're trying to say?
Yes. What's going on?
Confused.
Let me clear it.
Okay.
I went to your aunt, Blessing, to adopt you when I did not have any child for my late husband. 4 years after adopting you, I conceived and gave birth to Juliet and Pekule. Your presence in my house brought good luck to me.
Okay. Wait, you mean Madam Sarah here is my blood sister? Is that what you're trying to say?
She's your blood sister. Yes, she's your blood sister. She's one of the triplets. You remember Righteous? That mad girl at home.
Hey!
I discovered her at the mechanic workshop where my husband works. So that day I saw her. Now she's that mad girl that you have kept talking about. She's the third sister. You were all giving birth to by my late elder sister. She was mad. And she died exactly the day she gave birth to the three of you. And she left you under my care. So I didn't have the wherewithal to take care of you three. I was barely 18. As at that time, my parents were dead. So in the course of looking for who to help me take care of the triplets, Cordelia now came and adopted you.
So are you telling me that you are the one that gave birth to those triplets I saw you with begging on the road?
Madam, it's a very long story. They are not my children, but my late sister's children.
I'm sorry. Now, can you take good care of them and train them in school?
Yeah, it's in the hands of God. It's in the hands of God.
Okay. Can I take one? I mean, I want to adopt one and train her in school.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
But I don't know you. I hope you're going to take care of her.
My dear, I will really take good care of her. My husband people are mounting pressure on me. I need only a child so I can save my marriage. It's not easy on me, my dear sister.
No problem. Let's go to my house so you can make your choice.
Okay, thank you.
Let's go. Is there nobody in this house? Eh?
Hey. Who are you looking for?
I'm looking for one Mrs. Cordelia. She lived here.
Cordelia?
Yes.
Who is this Cordelia and who are you?
The woman I'm looking for is the one that has a baby. Yes, a baby.
Baby?
Yes, yes.
Ah. Sorry, I don't know who you are looking for, and we packed in here 2 months ago and I have no problem.
How can Cordelia relocate without letting me know?
Okay, Cordelia.
Yes.
Now I remember, sorry. Oh, she relocated from here
to
a different place over some months now before we even came in. And I don't even know her whereabouts. We don't have her contacts. We don't even have their address.
So, there's no how I can locate her?
Like I said, I don't have her contacts. And I don't even know where she went to. I don't even know her new location and where the packed to. I don't even know their whereabouts. Oh?
What do I do now?
I've always waited for this day to come. But I didn't know it was going to come like this.
Oga, let me go back to the gate. So that...
Hey, come here. George, where are you going? George. In fact, Oga, madam, let me tell you both the truth. His name is not George, his name is Joshua. Shh. You were both right when you heard me making a call. Your friend, Mr. Duke, paid the both of us to poison you. The day you heard me talking on phone, he was convincing me to poison you that night. I refused. I said I can't poison you, that you're a good man. This idiot is a killer. He was the one that strangled your late gate man. Yes! Joshua. I will talk. I told you you would die. See, if you think I'm lying, I have the voice record on my phone. I told you your wickedness will kill you.
Chiamaka, how dare you accuse me of such thing?
I have the voice record. See, if you just deny it, madam, I have the voice record.
Don't mind this mad girl.
It is you that is mad.
Eh?
Sorry, you said who sent you? You said who?
Yes, Duke.
Duke did what?
Yes, and I told him I cannot. He asked me to poison you.
To poison me? Why?
He asked me to kill you. I don't even know the reason why.
Oga, please, it's not true.
Hey, come here.
He's evil.
Come over here.
Go on now.
Come there. Come down.
You know,
Don't let
go.
go.
On your knees.
He was the person that he threatened to kill my husband and I. Leave me, he will enjoy you. He threatened to kill my husband and I if I don't do the needful. That was why I came to talk to Chiamaka. He wanted to come and kill, said he was going to kill Chiamaka if I don't bring him to where Chiamaka is. So that was why I came today. I told you that you tell Chiamaka everything.
Wait, you killed Gaius?
Killer talk!
Hello, Inspector. Yes. Where are you, please? Can you come right away to my house?
Yes.
Oh, we have a situation ready.
Hey, good. How are you?
I have found the killer of my late security man. He is right here with me. Yes, the culprit, yes.
How are you?
He's right here in my house. I'm upstairs in the living room. My living room upstairs.
Okay. Okay. So you're my sister. Thank God for Righteous. She warned me beforehand not to soil my hands with blood. You're my sister. It's okay.
Hey, you! Come back there! Come back there!
Honey, the culprit now. I'm out of it now. This is my sister now. Honey, please.
Oga, please, it's not my fault. It's your friend Duke. He promised to give me 20 million naira out of the $100 million business you guys did. And he asked me to kill you, Madam and Chiamaka. Before it happened.
Did you buy the money?
5 million naira.
He said that. And she's walking here.
Where are you walking? Come on.
We're coming back.
He's lying.
Show me your mind, not your back. I call you my friend, Unagine. Show me your mind, possible begin. Oh, my friend, not your back. Fishy way never enter pot. No say what I go betray 'em.